decision-making in trading getting tough for you? Are you looking for a reliable system to simplify your trades? You have come to the right place. Today we're going to explore how AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the world of trading. From predictive indicators to automated strategies, I'll break down everything you need to stay ahead of the market. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'm sure the information I'm about to share will be valuable. If you find it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go! One of the biggest changes AI has brought to trading is predictive indicators. These indicators analyze vast amounts of historical data to forecast the market's next move. One such indicator we're discussing today is Echo Forecast, developed by Lux Algo. This tool works across Forex, crypto, and stocks using machine learning to predict future price trends. Now, let's see how to practically use these AI-powered tools. First, add the Echo Forecast indicator to your chart. To do this, go to the indicator section on your trading platform and search for Echo Forecast by Lux Algo. Once added to the chart, it's time to adjust the settings. Evaluation window determines how much past data the indicator analyzes for prediction. A higher value means more data processing for better accuracy. Forecast window defines how far into the future the indicator predicts price movements. Forecast mode determines whether predictions are based on similarities or differences in past price patterns. Forecast construction help us understand how these forecasts are built. Once set up, the indicator displays its prediction using 3 different colors. If the forecasted line trends upward, it suggests a bullish trend. And if it trends downward, a bearish market is likely. But don't rely on just one indicator. It's always best to use additional confirmation tools to improve accuracy. I recommend adding another indicator to your chart. SSL Hybrid. The SSL Hybrid indicator helps identify the overall trend. Blue means bullish and red means bearish. Now let's analyze a real example. Here we have the Euro-USD daily chart. Echo Forecast indicates a price increase, and SSL Hybrid confirms this with a blue line. With all confirmations aligned, a buy trade was placed and the price moved exactly as predicted, resulting in a profitable trade. But that's not the whole story. It's crucial to backtest any new strategy before using in live markets. Backtesting means testing a strategy on historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This helps you identify strengths and weaknesses before risking real money. A pro tip: don't clutter your chart. Many beginners think adding more indicators improves decision making, but in reality, it can cause confusion. I recommend using just 2 or 3 key indicators for a clean and effective strategy. Now, I have a question for you. Would you like me to backtest this strategy 100 times and share the results with you? If so, hit the like button and comment below which currency pair and time frame you want me to test. If this video reaches 500 likes, I'll do it for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future content. Wishing you profitable trades!